If you've ever felt like you blew it after slipping up on your keto journey, or thought, well, I ruined it today, I might as well give up, well then this video is for you. Today I want to speak about something that quietly sabotages thousands of keto journeys, and that is perfectionism. Let's break the myth that you have to be perfect to succeed. Because, spoiler alert, you don't. Let's get into it. Point number 1, progress, not perfection. You know, too many people start keto with the mindset of, I have to do it perfectly or not at all. They obsess over macros, beat themselves up for the tiniest and smallest mistakes, and put unrealistic pressure on themselves. Well, here's the truth. Perfection is a myth. What you really need to focus on is progress. Did you make a better choice today than yesterday? Did you avoid a sugary snack, cook a keto meal, or drink more water? That's progress, and that's success. Forget perfect. Consistent, better choices win the race. Point number 2. Setbacks are normal. Let me tell you, setbacks are not failures. They're feedback. You're not a robot, you're a human being. Missed a workout? Had a carb-heavy meal at a family party or gathering? It happens. What matters is what you do next. Instead of quitting, ask yourself what triggered the setback. What can I learn from this? How can I bounce back stronger? When you embrace setbacks as part of the journey, you take back your power. Because it's not about never falling, it's about getting up every single time. Point number 3, celebrate small wins. We're often so focused on what's wrong, we forget to celebrate what's right. You skipped soda today? That's a win. You prepped your meals for tomorrow? That's a win. You didn't quit after a bad weekend? Huge win. Track those non-scale victories. Better sleep, more energy, looser pants, because every small win is fuel to keep going. Don't wait for perfection to celebrate. Celebrate progress and you'll stay motivated. If you've been trapped in the perfectionist mindset, it's time to let go. Remember, keto isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming better, stronger, and healthier, one step at a time. If this message hits home for you, give this a like this video, subscribe to my channel for more real talk on keto, and drop a comment below. What small win are you celebrating today? See you in the next video, and as always, keep it keto.